Happy European Youth Information Day, people around the world! Have you ever thought how important it is to be informed about the things happening around us? That is crucial to freely pursue the objectives we want to develop in ourselves and in our society. For that reason, it's really important to know which information is trustful to avoid basically scams, fraud and other problems. Then I would really strongly recommend to you visiting reliable sources. So then move to the next part of the video and vivimos el...
Which are the reliable sources? So, first, if you find someone by a friend, you can ask him and see how you can work to the project. Second, you can go to the European Solidarity Corps site and you can find there more information. And if you have any question, you can ask them by email or contact them in the site. The third one, you can go to the site. You can find where it says Contact European Union. Then you can go to Meet Us and you will find a map that it says European Union map. There you can find an organization that is close to you and you can go there and talk to them and ask any question.
Ja sam Navid i španjolski, imam 19 godina. Ako želiš volontirati u drugu državi, informacije moćiš naći na web stranica. Prvo se registriraj kao volonter, pripremiš Europass i motivacijsko pismo. Pro volontiranje osigurani su hrana, putni trošak, stan, džeparak, zdravstveno osiguranje, tečak hrvatskog jezika.
Hey guys, welcome to the real process. So, first of all, your organization should contact you. After, you will receive a link for you to get in this interview, but don't worry about the interview because you will see this is a super friendly and close interview. What more? Yes, so don't worry about money because your organization will give you some money for groceries, accommodation, transport, and pocket money. So I can just wish you luck. Bye guys! Hey guys, regarding my personal experience, I was in Córdoba, my city, and Enrique, my friend, came to me, suggested me coming to Croatia to do a volunteer. As you can see, I'm here. And why Croatia? Because he just wanted to come to Croatia and I was just following him. But you won't regret it. Bye guys.
Oh, here you are, my dears. So I got to know this project because I came to Osim Youth Info Center and I asked about all the information that I need to know about the project. And why Croatia? Because I was doing here an Erasmus program and I wanted to stay here for a longer period of time. This is an amazing city.
Hi, my name is Inês and I found European Solidarity Corps by someone that approached me in the street and they contacted me and asked if I want to know much about this organization and how it works. So I got to the site, I got contacted by organization Croatian and I chose Croatian because I think it's a great place to visit. The people are super nice and I think you also should come to Croatian.
Dobar dan, moje ime je Javid, ja radim kao volonter u Hrvatsku, zato što volim puno tradicije, kulture i ljudi. Također učim svaki dan hrvatski jezik.